Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to become a content creator. If this video is what you see, please do well to stay to the end of the video. And you have been asking yourself, how can I become a content creator? The first basic thing you need to become a content creator is a camera or your phone. Like now, although I'm using my laptop to film, but you have to have a phone, and definitely everyone has a phone, of which from there you have started. You can make your video with your phone and start your content creating. It's not that hard, and stop procrastinating. Maybe you will say, okay, I don't have a mic. Before I started, I don't have a mic. Before I finally went and go and get one. Though you need a mic for your audio quality, so that people can hear you louder. People prefer to hear you louder than seeing your face. What you're presenting to them doesn't really matter, though it matter than your voice. Your content can sell when your voice is loud and audible. So basically, the first instrument you need is your phone to start your filming, and the best time to start is now. Now, let's dive into the number one thing you need to know. The first thing you need to know as a content creator is, what do you want to do? Which area do you want to go to? Is it a blog? Is it a tutorial? Is it a vlog? Is it a lifestyle? What area do you want to go as a content creator, and what exactly do you want to do? Then that will bring us to point number two. The point number two is, who is your audience? Who do you want to talk to? Is your video meant for kids? Is your video meant for adults? What is the age limit of your video? Is your video meant to only Nigerians or other countries? Then when you finally choose your audience and you've already decided on who that you want to see your video, this brings us to point number three. Which platform do you want to use to market your video? Which platform do you want to use to showcase your video? Is it a YouTube? YouTube is basically for tutorial. YouTube is basically for vlogs. Or is it TikTok? TikTok will help you to grow your audience and get more view. Is it Instagram? Instagram, you can use Instagram for your business, for your fashion. And is it Facebook? Which platform do you want to use to showcase your content? Then when you finally choose a platform that you want to use, you will choose that platform based on what you want to do, based on the types of content that you want to create. Someone that wants to do a blog will know where to choose, will know the platform to choose as a blogger. Someone that wants to do a tutorial also know a platform to choose as someone that wants to do a tutorial where people can easily go and find your tutorial. Somebody that wants to do a lifestyle, someone that wants to do a vlog, somebody that wants to document a traveling info also have a platform. And this brings me to point number four. Create a content plan. When do you want to be posting your content? Which time? Which hour? That content plan will enable you to create your content ahead of tomorrow. And when you plan your content, it will help you not to run out of ideas. It will help you not to run out of content. You will not lag behind. It will help you to be consistent. So when you are making your content, plan it and have a content plan. This brings me to point number five, and the point number five is develop your brand. Make your name to represent your brand. Make your logo to represent your brand. And make your color to represent your brand. So whatever you are doing, however you want your content to be, or whatever content you want to be posting, have a catchy name. Let the name be attractive. Let your logo be attractive. Let your color represent you, because these three things will make somebody that see your content to click it whenever they see it. Like I said, if your name, my own name, I'm answering, when somebody see it, the person will be like, okay, let me go and see what she's creating, or let me go and see what she's doing, and the person will now come and see what I'm doing. So let your name represent your brand, let your logo represent your brand, and let your color represent your brand. This brings me to point number six, equipment. What do you need as a content creator? You need a camera, you need a mic, you need a light, the light that can brighten your face to make your face look brighter. In the absence of a camera, like I said, you can use your phone. You have to make your audio quality loud. You might have to make your audio quality to be high so that people can hear you. You have to make your face, you have to make your background to be attractive so that people can also see you and know and pick interest in whatever you are doing. You also need to have a basic skill for content creation, which is video editing, which is graphic design, which is photo editing. These three things are the basic skill as a content creator that you need to know. If you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section, and please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will see it. And this brings me to point number 7. Promote your video with other social medias. When you make your video, share it to other of your platform so that people will see and also come to and engage in that video. Also collaborate with other content creators. Is going to help you a lot. Let your keyword be there in every content you are making. Learn how to use your keywords right, because any post you make, the platform is going to show that your video based on the keyword you use in your video. Do well to respond to people's comments. Do well to respond to people's question. If you engage in their question, if you respond to their question, it will enable them to come back and watch your content more. Monetize your content. How do you monetize your content? After you have done all these things, your aim is to monetize your content. And how do you monetize your content? If it is a YouTube video, as we all know that you monetize your content when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. That is when YouTube will now send you a request to apply for a YouTube partnership program. And in that way, your content will be monetized. The second way, again, that you can monetize your content is to package your content as a course, and you will sell it for others to buy. Another way you can also monetize your content is by sending your affiliate link, using an affiliate link to make your money. Partner with affiliate program to make your money. And also another way you can make money is through sponsorship. When you want to influence people's products in your page, you can also make money with that content. Analyze and improve. Use YouTube Analytics, use Google Analytics to analyze your video, to know where you're lagging behind, and be able so that you can be able to improve and do more. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key in content creation. Please stay consistent, please stay focused, and do not relent. You will see that you have achieved that which you aim. If you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will be able to see it. See you in my next video. Bye.